Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we are going to discuss the double cell phone holder for a single cup holder. On our website, TadiBrothers.com, the SKU number for this product is 30024. That means that if you go to the search bar and you put in the number 30024, this product will pop up and you can order it and buy as many as you want. So let's get down to it. First, let me go over the parts, assemble it for you, tell you what it does, and then we'll go over some of the features. The first part of this is the base. This is a heavy-duty base. It's also weighted on the bottom. When you put it in the cup holder, this will expand and tighten it in the cup holder itself. Up here, we're going to connect the two different holders for the phones. We have two different styles of holders that are included, so it will fit a different types of phones, sometimes heavier, some lighter, so you're going to have that kind of option. So let me put this together for you guys. This is the first we're going to do this one here. We're going to take these grooves, put them in here like this, and we're going to click it in like that. That's the first one right there. You can see it's mounted and you are good to go with that one. The next one is with the ball mount. We're going to take the lock ring that you see here, put it in there, and then we're going to take the holder for the cell phone and take this part here, the female, and put it in the ball itself. When you hear the click, you're there. Then we're going to take this ring in the back like this, and we're going to tighten it up. Don't go crazy with the tightening yet, because I'm going to show you what it does. All right? And this is basically the product put together. Okay, you have cell phone 1, cell phone 2. You can mount them both on there, and you are good to go. The next part is, how do you install this in the cup holder itself? Well, this is where the cool features come in. All right, we have this thing here, this ring that you can turn, and when you turn it, it expands the feet. As you can see, I'm doing it right here like this, right? And the more you expand it, the more it tightens like a vise in your cup holder. Other companies do the what I call the Russian doll style, where you have a cup inside of a cup inside of a cup, and you need like a special tool to put it in the back to open it up. It's a whole story. We wanted to keep it as simple and as usable as possible, so we just made it with expandable feet. Just imagine if you lose a cup holder or going on a trip taking different cups with you. That's ridiculous. But here, you're just taking one thing, expanding it and contracting it to your particular needs. These have heavy-duty clasp. When you lock it in, it's like a vise. It's not going anywhere. So for our customers that have Jeeps or go off-roading or different types of vehicles like that, even golf karting, this is a great solution because the monitor or the phone won't move. Now, to put a phone in here, let me go over what these features do. Okay, you have the button right here to open up the clasp. So we're going to hold it up, and you can see how it elegantly opens like that. We wanted it that way to show you that we're in control. The mechanism inside opens it smoothly, and this is a reliable connection between the components here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our first phone, we're going to put it in here like this, and then we're going to tighten it. Once it's in there, it's not going anywhere. Now, before, when I mentioned these rings, the reason I showed you this is because this thing can go, the phone can be viewed as portrait mode, like this, or landscape mode, like that, right? So if you want to lock it in some position, then what you're going to want to do is you want to tighten this up one extra round, and then it's not going anywhere. Okay, that's if you're going down the road or something and you want just this position, you don't want it flailing around, you lock it in, go nuts with it, you're not breaking it. This is heavy duty plastic, this is commercial grade, so this ring isn't breaking. Okay, so that's number one right there. Now we're going to get the second screen in there. Okay, and we're going to use this one here. We're going to use an iPhone, and we're going to open this up. Okay, so my iPhone is a little longer than that phone. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open up the clasp that you see here, like this, the bottom, the feet, and we're going to expand them down. The trick is you don't want the clasp to close on the power button on the side of the phone. So we're going to measure it like that, and you can see here the clasp is fine, right? Now we're going to tighten it, and you hear another click, and you're good to go. And now we have two phones that you can work with, okay? One like this and one like that. Also, this is perfect for Uber or Lyft drivers because a lot of them have different phones for the different, Uber has one phone, the Lyft has another phone, so this allows you to see both of them at the same time. And again, this will hold it snug as a glove, so it's not going anywhere. To open it up, you simply hold this down like that. You see the clasp opening oh so elegantly. That's phone number one. We're going to take out phone number two, like that. And then we are done with the phones there, okay? Now, one other feature, or one popular feature that this allows you to do is when you have the phone on here, you could still charge it while it's connected. So others might somehow close it on the bottom. But here, we're going to go like this. We're going to tighten it up again, right? And then you can flip this around. Here, see, I have to open this thing up like this, right? And we're going to tighten it. And now, depending on where the charger's coming out of your car, right, you just plug it in through there, and you're good to go. Another nice feature is that you could have one phone pointing at the passenger, one pointing at the driver. People could be looking at two different things. That could be kind of fun if you're going on a long road trip. Regarding these arms, right, you could see that they are flexible. Right? There's no clicking involved or anything. It's made out of this heavy-duty material, meant to be bent and contorted however you want to make it. You could twist it around however you like. This thing is never going to break. Don't forget that this product here comes with a 10-year warranty, so it's not going to break. We know it's not going to break. That's why we can be so generous and liberal with our warranties. So here you have these two products right there. Let me open this up. Okay. Now, remember, when you're driving down the road, one of the worst things that could happen is you start fumbling around for your phone. The phone is ringing, you're looking for it, you're moving your hand, you're not getting anything. This will solve that problem. Another issue is you put your phone, this happens to me, right? You put your phone on the seat, you're driving, suddenly the phone rings, you now need to stop, you have 18 things going on, kids are yelling in the back, you stop, boom, the phone flies. You have this thing in your cup holder, that's never going to happen again. This is the end of that problem, right? So this is basically everything that this thing does. It's a very reliable product. It's obviously constructed well. We're backing it up with a 10-year warranty. So if there's anything else that you need with it, we're always here to back you up. It's very easy to install and remove. A lot of our customers become fans of the product, so they will take them on road trips, or if they're renting a car, they're going to move it to the car rental. They even get it for the back seats. So if you put one in the cup holder for the baby seat, the kid can watch YouTube, another kid can watch something else. I know that in our house, we'll give the phone to the kids to watch it just so we can have a little peace and quiet. So that's something that you might want to take advantage of this as well. Obviously, when you buy this in multiples, I know that the website always has different deals. Just look and see what's going on. Beyond that, I hope this video has helped you guys. If you need any extra help assembling it, you can call our service team. They're here in America. They'll gladly help you with whatever you need. If you haven't purchased yet, feel free to go over to TadiBrothers.com. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.